The 2014 Paralympic champion in biathlon and cross-country skiing, Lyudmila Pavlenko, met the designer Alexander Bevzuk 2 years ago. He prepared the pregnant athlete in a wheelchair for a fashion show.
Here is the person responsible for my first designer dress, made by Alexander Bevzuk when I was 7 months pregnant. I had a big belly, and he created a collection for us, in which a healthy standing woman and a woman in a wheelchair looked stunning thanks to the perfect tailoring of the dress.
That was Lyudmila's first time on the runway. Now she's taking part in her second fashion show in the framework of the Ukrainian charity project Mokosho. Lyudmila says that she feels like a Hollywood star.
I feel good. I'm a little nervous, but it's pleasant nervousness. Beautiful, strong, vibrant women. They motivate and inspire.
After the show, the women kept the dresses as gifts. Such charity projects facilitate inclusive fashion in Ukraine. The demand is high, but the market is limited. There are no cheap offers in mass production. Clothing for women in wheelchairs must be tailored in a special way, with a high waist and wide sleeves. The width of the front and the back for this size is increased from 4 to 10 centimeters because the developed shoulder girdle. Alexander Bevzuk has been taking part in charity projects for 6 years. Each of the shows features 10 inclusive outfits.
It should be more elegant, perfect.
For now, inclusive fashion are rare on Ukrainian catwalks, but this is certainly going to change with time.